Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you particularly like this video that you're about to watch, hit that like button, share with a friend. All those really do help out the channel. So today's product I want to share with you is a rotating projection nightlight lamp. It is by a company called Cenove. I think I pronounced that right. But essentially, when you order it, it's going to come in this box. Check out the description. I will include a link that will take you to Amazon so you can check it out for yourself, see what it's currently selling for, the price point, all that fun stuff. But once you open up the box, you're going to get the projector itself. You're going to get, there's going to be two types of projection images, which we're going to go over here shortly. It's got a cover here, which you can use for nightlight mode. You're going to get a power cable here, which just has a plug on this side and then USB on the other side. But if you don't want to use the USB constant power, it also does include here on the bottom a place where you can plug in 4 AAA batteries. So that'll allow you to bring it with you when you travel or place it anywhere in your room if you don't have a spare outlet. And then, of course, finally, you're going to get a user manual, which will explain everything to you. But we're going to go over all those details right now. So, like I said, you got two options to power it up. In order to change the little screens here, it's real simple. You'll see on the bottom here, it says, or on the back, it says open. You're just going to twist this and pull it right on off, and it will allow you to change the pattern. So your two patterns are, you've got a dinosaur basic pattern, and then your other one is sun and stars and planets for your other. So if you have your kiddo in your life likes space, you got an option there, or if they like dinosaurs, or if you just want to change it up, you got those little options. And it's super easy to change. All you do is you need to just pop it out like so, and then line up these little grooves here with those grooves, and it will snap back in place and be all nice and secure. Once you hear the little clicks, then you know it's good. And then you're gonna line these up with these grooves here. Now you can kind of see you've got your, these are your color changing LEDs, and then there's another one in the middle. So you just wanna line this up, and then you'll twist, and then it's locked in place. Now, if you don't want it necessarily to have all the projections going everywhere in the room and you want it more in a nightlight mode, that's what this part comes on. So you just put this over it and it will lessen those projections. You will still get projections going kind of straight up, but it kind of shows a little bit more glow, if you will. So let's cut to some footage kind of showing you the different patterns and different colors and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so now you kind of seen what it looks like, but let's go over all the controls and everything. So on the back here is where it plugs in. On the front, real simple, hit the power button and it's now ready to go. You can see the light down here lit up. To turn on the light, you just press this middle button. And this is what's also going to allow you to cycle through the colors. So right now it's kind of red, and then this is kind of a dark blue or purple look, green, and then this one's got a mixture of blue and red, and then blue and green and red, and then all the colors are on. So you've got the green, the red, and the blue, and then back to the green, or sorry, this one's the one that's cycling through the different colors. Which kind of forms a cool little effect because it doesn't turn on all the lights at the same time. But so once you got that, then you got this option right here, which this will allow you to turn on a couple of the other light colors. And then if you press it twice, then you'll see it'll start slowly rotating around in a circle, which will allow those projections to move in the ceiling that you saw. But those are basically all the controls. So like I said, it rotates 360 degrees. You have lots of different color options. And then your templates are different. And then naturally, you can use your batteries or your USB. And if you want it less distracting, just slide that on top there, and that will eliminate all this lighting here and just make kind of the projections at the top. So that's basically it. That's the simpleness of this little projection lamp. Feel free to hit me up in the comment section if you have any comments or questions. I do typically respond. And like I said, I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.